in the 4455, and we just got the light bar set up. And here's what it looks like with the normal lights, and voila. How about that? You can actually see pretty far. This should come in handy whenever we are planting or whatever, hauling in grain. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Sorry I didn't get any footage of actually putting it on, but it's kind of a thing where I'm not here and my uncle went ahead and did it, was a thing. So alright, Auxbeam light bar is on. We'll give it another go here. There's what it looks like without any headlights on. Wow. That looks good. Okay, we just adjusted it up a little bit. And now we can, that did it pretty good. That did it pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah. So there's Auxbeam light bar. One of them. I don't know if we'll ever get another one, but or it'll be my choice. But there we go. You can see him walking there. So yeah. One final look at it. We still got some touch-up stuff to do. My uncle's going to find some zip ties so we can get this stuff out of the way here. But there we go. It's all connected. It is all connected. I just thought of something. Now, if they could hook me up, if Auxbeam could hook me up with some LED light bulbs, if they have any, oh yeah.